at the time. For president, this is like 20 years ago. For those of you who don't know, there was a guy named Pat.
Don't complicate it.
Don't complicate it.
It's going to solve that.
News about opinion. Like.
And we have to remember.
Reality is.
Hey, Mark. Hey.
4,000 to try.
8, 9 meses, es así.
Eugenics' 64th birthday.
Significado era.
This morning, making the case their clients should not face charges over handling of classified documents at Mar-a-Lago. Trump attorneys James Trusky, John Rowley, and Lindsay Halligan were photographed entering the building this morning by
Flying into 3, 2, 1.
in D.C., prompting a fight
of some kind. We don't know what that policy change.
Picks him up. Would he be the only All-Star in the history of baseball All-Stars to not have a team?
Probably.